Good morning class. As you know beta, in the previous video we have completed our exercise 3.2. Today we will going to start our exercise 3.3. As you know beta, in the previous videos you have learned about the multiplication of decimal number. Today we will learn about the division of decimal numbers. Okay. As you know beta, in the previous video you have learned the multiplication of a decimal number with 10, 100 and 1000 and so on. Okay. In case of multiplication beta, we are moving the decimal point toward the right side of it, okay, and by as places as the number of 0 given in the multiplicand of decimal number, okay. But here we have to divide a number by 10, 100 and 1000 so on, okay. In that case beta, in case of division, in case of division by 10, 100, 1000 and so on, we have to move the decimal point towards the left side and by as much as places as the number of zeros give in the divisor, okay. Now let us take an example. A part, 19.28 divided by 10, okay beta. What we have to do, we have to count the number of 0. How many zeros are there? Only one. So move this decimal point toward the left side by one place, so the result will become 1.928, okay. Clear? Now look at one more example. C part, 67.42 divided by 100. Count the number of 0 in the divisor. There are 2 0. So we have to move this decimal point toward the left side by 2 places. So the result will become 0.6742 after moving this decimal point here, okay. So this is the solution of your C part beta. Now we will do one more example of this question. Look at the G part beta. In the G part, you have to divide 6.18 by 1000. Count the number of 0 in the divisor, 3. Now beta, in 6.18 we have to move this decimal towards the left side by 3 places. Here we have given 6, here we have only one digit. In the place of remaining 2 digits we have to put 0 beta, 0 0, and here we have to transfer this decimal sign, okay. So the result is equal to 0.00618. This is the answer of your G part. Remaining part of the question number first are same as like this part beta. Try to do them by yourself, okay. Now we will move on the next question. Question number second beta. In the question number second, we have given the division between two decimal number, okay. For example, A part, 57.2 divided by 11 beta. To solve the division of decimal beta, firstly remove the decimal by dividing the decimal with a suitable number. Like in 57.2, we will able to remove the decimal point by dividing 10. We have written here 10 beta because after decimal there is only 1 point, okay. If there will be 2 point, then we have to write 100. If there will be 3 point, then we have to write 1000, okay. We have to divide the number by a suitable number according to the number of digit given after decimal point. If there is 1 digit, then we have to divide by 10. If there is 2 digit, then we have to divide by 100. If there is 3 digit, then we have to divide by 1000. And even if there is 4 digit after decimal point, then we will able to remove the decimal point by dividing the given number by 10,000. Okay, understood beta? Now look at the solution of A part of question number 2. Here we have only one digit after decimal, so we have to divide by 10, and this is divide by 11. Now look at here beta, we can write 11 as 11 by 1. Look at this question beta, this is the division of fraction now. Now this is the division of fraction, and we know that how can we divide one fraction by another. Firstly we will change this division sign into multiplication, and the second number will be converted into its reciprocal. Now here we have 11 as the highest common factor between 572 and 11. So 11 will become 11 and this will become 52. So the result is 52 by 10. Again we are able to remove this 10 by placing decimal point after one digit. So this is equal to 5.2. Okay, so this is the solution of your A part beta. Now we will take one more example of this question. In the C part beta, we have given 7.92 divided by 0.04. Firstly you have to remove the decimal point. Okay, here we have 2 digit after decimal, so we have to divide by 100. Again we have 2 digit after decimal point, so we have to divide by 100 again. Okay, now this is the division of fraction, and we know that how can we divide fraction. So firstly we have to write the first fraction as it is, and we have to convert division into multiplication and the second fraction into its reciprocal. So 100 will be cancelled by 100, and 4 is the highest common factor between 4 and 792. Okay, so 4 1 ja 4 and 4 1 ja 4, this will become 4 9 ja 36 and 4 8 ja 32. So the answer is 168. So this is the solution of your question number 2 C part beta. The remaining part of this question are same as like this question. Try to do them by yourself, and if you have any problem in solving these questions, we will take that problem in the live class beta. Thank you. Have a nice day.